Very good evening to all of you, beta. Yeah, I'll tell you, beta. We have last class started with language of chemistry, if you remember, beta. Okay, now what all thing we have studied in that, I'm just going to quickly revise and then we are going to go for, today main part. We have studied what is matter, element, atom, symbol. We did symbol in detail. Okay, beta? Then symbol are derived. First, we either take what? First letter. Hello, we take first letter. But if first letter is repeated, then we take second letter also. For carbon, I write C. For calcium, I write Ca. For sulfur, I write S. For silicon, I write Si. Similarly, beta, there are certain elements whose name are derived from Latin name. Like sodium, do we write sodium So or it is Na? Natrium. Copper, we don't write CEO, we write Cu because it is derived from Latin name cuprum. Iron, I don't write IR. I write Fe because it is derived from Latin name ferrum. For silver, I don't write Si. I write what? Ag, argentum. Right, beta? So Latin name and all those I gave you. I made you to write also many things. Right? We have written the Latin name and all. Yeah. Yeah, very good, beta. Yeah. Then, beta, we started with what, beta? Valency. First of all, before doing valency, you should know a few things. First is valence electron. What is valence electron? Valency electron means what? Electron in the outermost shell. In the outermost shell. Okay, A. Sodium, if I write beta, atomic number is 11, so 281. So how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 1. Magnesium, it was how much beta? 12. 282. So how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? Here, 1. Here it is 2. Aluminium, how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 283. So, okay. So these are the valence electron. Which electron? Valence. Any element which has 3 or less than 3 electron, it will always lose that electron. Right? It will lose 1 electron. This fellow will lose how many electron? 2 electrons. This fellow will lose how many electron? In order to attain the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. And what will get? Na1 plus. This will become magnesium 2 plus. This will become aluminium 3 plus. And these are positive ion. Positive ion are known as cation. And cations are generally what beta? These are cation. Yeah, cations are basic. They are what? Basic. Basic in nature. They are. Achha, what is the valency of sodium? 1. What is the valency of magnesium? 2. What is the valency of aluminium? 3. This all we have done last class. Then certain element which has beta 4 or more valence electron in their outermost shell. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Carbon is 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is 2, comma 4. This is 2, comma 5. This is 2, comma 6. 2, comma 7. Now tell me, beta, if any element has 4, how many valence electron are here? 4, 5, 6, 7. So those who have 4, 5, 6, 7, they will always gain electron to become 8 electron. To become 8. Octet means it may become like nearest noble gas. How much this will gain, beta? Tell me. This first one, carbon, 4 electrons. This fellow will gain 3. Yeah, but mostly plus will take 2 electron. This will gain how much? 1. If it gains 4 electron, what it will become? Yeah, stable of course, but it will become C4 minus. This will become 3N minus. This will become O. And this will become F. Acha, so what is the valency for carbon 4, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1? All these are negative ion, therefore we call them as which ion? Anion. And anions are acidic. They are what, beta? Acidic in nature. They are what? Acidic in nature. Okay. They are what, beta? Acidic in nature. Any difficulty till here? Now, then beta we did variable valency. Do you remember beta we did variable valency? Certain element shows variable valency. Cuprous, cupric. Remember? Argentus, argentic. I made you, we have written all this. You check beta. Okay. Mercurous, mercuric. We have written all this. Yes. Ferrous, ferric. Ferrous, fer. Okay. Stannous, stannic. Plumbous, plumbic. Okay, all this we have written. Orus, oric. Gold this is. Orus. Yeah. Us is lower. Ik, I, higher, I. Higher में I आता था कि नहीं बोलो बेटा. So these, when they are exhibiting certain element exhibit more than one valency, these we call them as what? Which valency? Variable valency. Which valency? Variable. More than one valency they are exhibiting or not? Tell me. So we call them as what? Variable valencies. Okay. Hey, look, beta. This is all we have done, beta. Look. Shh. Hey, we done valency. Right, beta? Positive and negative valency. Okay. I gave you this variable valency. We did or not? Tell me. Certain element which shows more than one valency. We call them as which valency? Variable valency. Look here. Certain element exhibit more than one valency, so variable valency. Are you getting it? Look here. Q per S, Q per A. Can you see copper 1, copper 2? Clear? Okay. Then beta, we did all this table. Radical we did. What we did? Radical. Group of ions which behave as a single unit. Behave as a single. Like I'll give you example only positive. So beta, tell me, is it a group of atom or not? Tell me. Gotcha. It has a which valency? +1. So what is what? Ammonium. Not ammonia. It is what beta? Ammonia. Okay. So group of atom which behave as a single unit and exhibit this valency are known as radical. In your entire syllabus, if they say which is the only positive radical, only positive radical in your syllabus is ammonium. इस पे positive charge है ना बेटा? Positive radical, only positive radical is ammonium. Then beta we did a lot of negative radical. Negative में which one we did? Many we did beta. OH1 minus hydroxide. Right beta? It is a group of atoms which exhibit valency or not. Tell me negative. Okay, A, CO3 2 minus. What was this called as? We have written all this. Do you remember beta? Carbonate. SO4 2 minus. This was sulfate. All these are negative radical. Phosphate. Remember? Phosphate. So these all are negative radical. Negative radical are what? Negative radical are, yeah, acidic in nature. They are, why we call them acidic? Because they are found in acid. ए लुक बेटा, आप लोगों ने एसिड ये सुना है बेटा? अच्छा चलो, ये H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में सल्फेट होता है कि नहीं बोलो? फॉस्फरिक, हाँ, फॉस्फरिक एसिड में PO4 होता है. नाइट्रिक एसिड में NO3 होगा कि नहीं? देयरफॉर नेगेटिव रेडिकल आर व्हाट बेटा? एसिडिक. नेगेटिव रेडिकल आर व्हाट? Acidic. Any difficulty till here? Come on, tell me. Okay, now beta, what we have to do? Hey, these all students, beta, you all are going to come on Saturday here or not? Tell me, for offline class. Online student. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look, beta. Hey, I am going to keep 3 worksheet is there. 3
Yes,
are there.
sir.
You will collect. एक तो ये ऐसा one. One is of language, wherein they have just written heading is valency. I have kept all the Xerox. Then atomic structure ka there are 2 worksheets. Okay, there are how many worksheet? 2 worksheet of atomic structure. Okay, and 1 worksheet is of, दिया ना मैंने, सबको दिया, ठीक है? You will collect this. Outside this beta, there is one transparent plastic box just outside our room above the cupboard. In that, I am going to keep all these 3. It is your responsibility to collect. Okay, online student. Chalo. Hello. Now, so look beta, this is in your textbook beta. If you see beta, in your textbook page number 57, we did is variable valencies. Right? Okay, and all is radical. And I told you, beta, these positive valencies, whenever we say positive valencies, they are what, beta? Positive are what? Basic. And all negative are what? Acidic. Hello, all negative are acidic. Hey, give me a book. Somebody has written, no, beta? No, beta. हाँ, एक मिनट देना दिखाना. Okay. All this I'm just just done revision for you. Then beta we did we wrote some important also beta. Okay. Uh Valence is like, okay, if I increase permanganate, okay, now. Shh. This were very important one. Today we are going to do very important thing, and that is compound formation. Shh. Boys here, pay attention here. Okay, pay attention. In this bit, I told you to underline the important one, which was ammonium. Then beta, all this one. Bicarbonate, bisulfite, aluminate, AlO2 1 minus. These are very important. Then here I told you to underline this dichromate, carbonate, zincate. These are the valencies. We have written also in the class. Yeah, we wrote. If you were absent, then you have to see the recorded video whenever I send the same day. And then in that I told you to write. हाँ ये सब किया है अंडरलाइन. Oh beta, I'm going to make you write also. Don't worry. Okay. I'm going to make you write also. Now how compound? मैंने पहले underline कर ले चल पहले. These are very important one. Ammonium 57 page number. That these are very important. These all. Okay. Zincate, plumbite, 57. Okay.
Sir, why is ammonium in blue?
Ammonium because it is basic positive. And the red one, they are acidic.
There is ammonium.
Yeah, this
You are blind if you don't see ammonium.
Look, I made this blue one. Okay, happy? Chalo. Now I'm going to go for the next one.
No, sir.
Okay. Hey, now then we have done these variable valencies. Then we have studied these ion and radical ka definition. Remember? Ion can be what, beta? Anything which has a positive charge are known as what? We have undone this. Cations. Negatively charged ion are known as. Then what is radical? Group of atoms behave like a single unit and show valency. Only positive radical in your syllabus is ammonium. Oh, negative are many. Negative are many. Now today we want to do beta compound formation. Yeah, we want to do what? Compound. Hey, this we have done in atomic structure also, beta. This electronic configuration. Okay. In this, I want to know in first 20 elements which are two metalloid. Which are two metalloid? Boron and silicon. They are metalloid. Okay. Who all are noble gas? Helium, neon, and argon. Helium. Nina, noble gas and argon in first 20 element. They are noble gas. Is this clear? Now today we are going to do compound formation. What we are going to do? Okay, this is very, very important. Compound formation. We are going to do chemical formula. How do we write the chemical formula? Now for this beta, I'll just give you one simple example. Look here. Now, if many students have not come, otherwise I would have showed you here also. Anyways, if we are doing chemical formula, how chemical formula we write? Okay. Chemical. What? Just shut your mouth. Chemical formula. Now, and the name. Now in exam, look, chemical formula. How the chemical formula we write? Suppose there is an A. Listen. There is an A. Its valence is X plus. and then there is B. Its valency is what, beta? Y minus. So what happened? This interchange. They what? Interchange. So what it will become? A by B x. We don't write the chart. So this is how we do the compound formation. The cap of this will become the shoe of another. The cap of the first one will become the shoe of another. इंगे पिंगे क्रिस क्रॉस ये लिखना है बोला ना लिखना है लिखना है we have to write it
So we have to write
formation
this.
yeah you have to write this वो नहीं वो सब में पता होगा ना wait ना first this is how the I have given the basic example this boy here you start writing yeah who is this talking with
Sir,
yeah
last class, did we write anything?
we last class there was no class only beta right?
So last to last.
Last to last class we wrote only this thing whatever I showed you the marking na beta okay
So
you what you can do
pages
beta you
we have
can who showed that book to me just now before I am sending what last class we have written
okay, sir. So we'll is it okay if we leave one page and write this?
so you have to leave at least 2 pages
Okay. 2 to 3 pages.
I am sending yeah only 2 pages we wrote I'll send that
Only 2 pages.
Okay.
अरे यार ये तो ऐसा क्यों हो गया भाई स्ट्रेट नहीं है ला दो बेटा सम प्रॉब्लम ना 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 लाना
Oh, actually, same time. So, group पे भेज दो, मम्मी को ले ले। तो group पे भेज दो, please।
हाँ ग्रुप पे भेज रहा हूँ चलो ले लो ये व्हाट इज दैट टू टॉक This is what we have done in the last class. Now we are going to do the today's thing. Chalo. Hello. Now, yes. Listen. Now look one by one. We are going to do compound formation. Actually, yeah. How compounds are formed? First, look. Suppose beta, if I tell you, do compound formation of, basic thing I'm going to start with. Sodium chloride. What I'm going to do you? Sodium. So how we get this? Achha, what was the valency of sodium? 1 plus. Chloride is how much beta? 1. So now beta we'll try to do this crisscross. But beta if the number are same, we never write 1. So what will be the formula? Come on. NaCl. Understood?
Yes, sir.
1 होगा तो लिखने का नहीं हाँ नहीं मतलब ये पूरा कॉपी करना है
That is supposed to solve it properly. Supposed to write the valency.
So I have written a valency. What I have written?
नहीं मतलब नीचे like side valency.
No. Compound in that directly you have to write. नहीं कटेगा है
Sir,
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना बेटा
हमारे जो आसार के पेपर में सॉरी यूनिट्स के पेपर में जो डायग्राम का वो था ना
क्या हाँ वो मैंने बताया था ना 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हाँ मैंने बताया था पूरा magnesium chloride. What is the valency of magnesium? Come on. 2 plus. Chloride is how much? 1. So now we have to do crisscross. Look here. So what will happen? Tell me this 1 will not write. This 1 will go to magnesium. But chlorine के पास क्या जाएगा? This 2 will go here or not? Tell me. What I'll get? MgCl2. Magnesium chloride. This is magnesium chloride. Third, I'm giving you aluminium chloride. How will you do? Come on.
Sir, it's so easy.
Aluminium is how much? 3 plus. Cl is how much?
No,
मालूम है मेरे को. हाँ तो यही तो मतलब करवा रहे हैं. If you show this way also, then it is correct only.
So we'll write this, right?
Yeah, you have to write all this. Aluminium chloride. 1 will go here, 3 will come here, na?
yes, sir.
This is how you do crisscross. Okay,
Yeah.
done. Are you getting it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Sir, done.
All done? Chalo. Fourth one.
So could you show that once more? So could you show that once more?
Yeah, beta.
Sir, can you also show calcium oxide?
I am going to show beta one by one. First, we are doing the basics one. Now, now we are going to go for the next one. Come on. A. If I have given you magnesium oxide. Now, for the very first time, first you should know what is the valency of magnesium? 2. Oxygen is also 2. When both are same, they get cancel out. If both are same, so we'll cancel out. So what I'm going to write? MgO. नहीं, ये लिखा है ना ऊपर बस. तो सेम होगा तो कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा. नहीं बेबी, यू आस्क्ड फॉर व्हाट? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. सेम होगा ये भी.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if the number is same, it get cancel out. If I write beta iron 2 oxide. Iron 2 oxide means ferrous oxide. We also can it is also known as ferrous. Ferrous oxide.
What's iron 2?
Iron 2 means ferrous. Valency will be of Fe is how much? 2 plus. Oxygen is 2 minus. Now you tell me what will be the formula? Yeah, very good. Because both are 2, na beta? A. क्या नाम है आपका बेटा? हाँ? दिव्जो बेटा, are you getting it बेटा? FeO. सरनेम तेरा मैं भूल गया वापस. सब लोग. Yes, लोग. Okay. Pay attention here. If it is similar, it will get cancel out. Chalo, sixth one. Savir, you are going to do this. Aluminium oxide. First, tell me, beta, what is the valency of aluminium? 3 plus. Oxide is here only we have done here. So now what will do, beta? Crisscross. So they are not same, so they are not going to cancel out. So what will? Very good. Al2O3. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Copy. Many I am going to give. Many. Have patience. Have patience. Sure. Iron 3 oxide I am going to give you now. Iron
3
ferric. Yeah, ferric. Iron 3 oxide means ferric oxide. Ferric mein Fe is 3 plus. Now you tell me what will happen. Come on. This inge. So what you will get?
Fe2O3.
Fe2O3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is compound formation we are doing. What we are doing?
Compound formation.
Compound formation. Okay.
Done.
Now, hey, done. All of you online student done.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, eighth one.
Done, sir.
Shall I do the eighth one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Eighth one. Divjot beta, have you done this? ये भी कॉपी किया आपने आयन 3 ऑक्साइड. हेलो सब लोग बेटा बोल. ये done. Now we are going to go for the next one. Aluminium nitride. Nitride means nitrogen. What is the valence of aluminium? Aluminium is 3 plus. Nitride is 3 minus. If both number are same, so what will happen?
So,
Same number will cancel out. If both are same, they cancel out. So what I get? ALN. What I get?
sir, calcium oxide will be CaO, right?
यार अच्छा बेटा तू इतना परेशान हो रही है ले ले तेरे को दे देता कब से एक ही के पीछे तू परेशान हो रही है बेटा. Calcium. Tell me what is the valency of calcium?
2 plus.
Oxide is 2 minus.
2
So
minus.
2 will get cancelled na beta.
Yes, sir.
Then what beta? I gave you magnesium oxide earlier.
So, no, I'm just saying that will be CaO, right?
Yeah, CaO. I've written. Look here. Now we are going to go for the next one. आप लोग magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride. What is the valence of magnesium? Mg2 plus. Nitride is how much? 3 minus. So what you will get? Come on, tell me.
Magnesium nitride. Oh, Mg3 and 2.
Mg. Very good. Sometimes they will give you the formula and they will tell you to write the name. So you should be able to write the name. Therefore you all will have to by heart the valency. Yeah, by valency you need to by heart. Yeah. Zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide. Zinc is 2 plus. Sulfide is 2 minus. So what you'll get? Same. So, very good. ZNS. Now we will go to little higher one. That is, we are going to take now radical. I'm going to take radical. Come on. I'm going to take radical. आ जाओ. Done all of you. चलो 12th one. ये हो गया था कि नहीं बोलो ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
हेलो
Yes, sir.
तन्वी,
Sir.
शारुई,
Yes, sir.
आयांश, दिया,
Yes, sir. Getting it.
शर्मा, रेहान, सानिका, जईन. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Yeah, wait. 12th one I'm going to do. First, shut your mouth. Okay. Sodium hydroxide. Now you tell me, beta, you see the list and you tell me what is sodium. Beta, what is the valency of sodium? This girl, so we know what is the valency Na1 plus. This is radical now, group of atom OH1 minus. But both are same. So same क्या हो जाएगा? Same cancel. So what I'll get? NaOH. But if I give you this way, calcium, this is very interesting now, all of you pay attention. Hydroxide. 1 1 है तो no bracket will come ना बेटा. Okay, calcium valence is how much? This little fellow, what's your name? This boy here. What's your name? Parshva beta, calcium is 2 plus. OH is 1. Now this is very interesting. Beta, whenever radical is there, we have to, and if the radical is going to be more than twice, listen Parshva beta, if it is going to be more than twice, so more than 2, so we will have to put it into bracket, whole bracket. We'll have to put it into whole. If it is radical,
OH का मान है
so OH का 1 ही है ना, तो वो कुछ नहीं होगा. Ca का 1 ही होगा. Now this 2 will go to OH, so I have to write OH in whole bracket. हाँ तो वही तो मैं OH whole bracket twice. Calm down, baby, calm down. Calm down. Copy this. Fourth one.
Done.
Aluminium
Done.
hydroxide. How will you do aluminium hydroxide?
CA bracket में OH बाद में से.
Ca, aluminium AD.
AL में bracket में OH बाद में से.
Now look beta, we have to do crisscross. And if you see radical, and if radical is going to be repeated more than once, we have to put that into bracket. So what answer I'll get? Come on, this girl here, what's your name?
ALOH3.
Huh?
AL Shah.
AL.
3 bracket.
No, your name first.
Yavi.
Yavi. Yeah. Sorry.
AL.
Oh, sorry. Let me change the color. Yeah. AL. Then. Very good. Okay. A Savir. A Bombil. Yeah, jo. Okay. Now 15. Okay. बस बातें नहीं.
1 2 3 4 5
Ammonium
positive
hydroxide. Sabir, you tell me beta. Ammonium is what? NH4 1 plus. OH is.
OH minus.
ये तो 1 1 है तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो क्या? Yes. NH4OH. Clear? Any difficulty till here? Bolo, 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 bolo. Bolo, 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 bolo. Bolo, 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 bolo. Chalo. Yeah, tell me. Now. Chalo. 1, 2, 3. Start. Start.
Sir, what is the 4 like what does the 4 represent in NH4 1 plus? Like what does the 4 represent?
This 4 is the radical na beta. Lower one we never see the lower one.
Okay, yeah.
We see the top valency. We are not interested in the lower part.
Okay.
Lower part we'll write as it is. We'll always. Hey, what happened? क्या हुआ? Hey. What did it?
Nothing. क्या हुआ?
बेटा. Hey.
Sabira, you're mad. He hasn't cut down. He can finish you right now. Babe. Actually, नहीं है. वो चाहे.
बस अभी ये.
अच्छा.
बस. हो गया. सोडियम carbonate. चलो बेटा, सोडियम is how much? Na 1 plus. Carbonate is how much? 2 minus. So these valencies you need to by heart, beta. Come on, what will happen now?
Sir, something. Sir. Na2CO3.
Very good. Na2CO3.
Right.
17. If I give you calcium carbonate, then
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate.
Two brackets में CO.
CaCO2.
क्या 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 कुछ भी, दोनों का 2 है.
CO.
2 will cancel out ना.
CO.
This boy here, I'll throw you out. Why? What are you doing यार? नहीं चला तो दूसरा पेन ले.
Sir, CaCO3.
Yeah, CaCO3 accurate. 2 will cancel out. हाँ. 18th one. Ammonium sulfate. Take another pen and start writing. Don't waste time. Borrow from someone or write with pencil. Ammonium. Ammonium is what? NH4 1 plus. Sulfate is 2 minus.
तो ब्रैकेट तो NH4 ब्रैकेट में तो बात हो ना.
एक दे देना बेटा. हाँ.
सर ये NH4 ब्रैकेट में दो वर्ड लिखा है.
Yes, very good. अभी बेटा अभी इसमें क्या करेंगे? आ जाओ इधर. हाँ यार. This 2 will go here.
NH
That lower number we don't have to see, हाँ बेटा.
हाँ?
अरे I am talking the ऊपर का बैलेंस ही only we should focus on. तो NH4 ये 2 इधर पे आएगा बेटा, so it will become twice SO4. Clear?
Yes sir.
Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. अरे बेटा अभी एक मेरे को लिखवाना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आए नहीं सब लोग, वरना वो वर्कशीट में मैं तुमको बताता रुक जाइए बेटे. ओके
सर
या बोलो.
सर सर सल्फेट का SO क्यों है, वो तो आता ही नहीं उसमें.
SO4 सल्फेट का ये वैलेंसी है बेटा, वो बाय हार्ट करना है, रेडिकल है.
क्यों सर?
क्या? अरे क्यों मतलब ये तेरे को बताया था ना मार्क करने के लिए. सल्फेट तूने भूल गया, ये देख.
हाँ याद आया.
तो फिर बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा भाई ये पूरा लिस्ट. ओके नाउ जस्ट शट अप. नहीं रुक जा बेटा, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ सुनना. वेट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू वन थिंग बेटा. लुक आई हैव गिवन यू टुडे वन वर्कशीट टू यू ऑल. ये देख मैं इसमें करवाने वाला था, लेकिन अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि बच्चे सब आए नहीं है ना. हाँ तो ये देखो बेटा, अभी देखो आपको मैं बता रहा था. देखो बेटा ये अभी हम लोग ने किया ना. देखो अभी आपको यहाँ पे खाली क्या देने का था, देखिए सोडियम सल्फाइड का एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि नहीं. दिस विल गो हियर दिस. तो अमोनियम का क्या होता है बोलो बेटा. अमोनियम इज 1 प्लस, कार्बोनेट इज 2 माइनस. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? NH4 twice CO3. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये मैंने आज दिया है तुम लोग को वर्कशीट. कैल्शियम का कितना होता है? 2 प्लस. फॉस्फेट इज 3 माइनस. सो व्हाट इट विल बी? टेल मी ओरली. अरे तो होमवर्क करना है, वो आपको होमवर्क करना है. ओरली बताओ इसका क्या होगा.
CO3PO4 thrice.
Yeah, very good. So this is beta calcium is 2 plus. This is bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is 1 minus. So what is the formula? Orally tell me.
CaHCO3.
Whole bracket twice. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये सब मैं करवाने वाला हूं, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरे को 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट है वो मैं आपको लिखवाना है. लिखवाना है मुझे. अभी आ जाओ. हाँ नहीं तू मस्ती कर रहा है इसलिए मैं नहीं कर रहा, मैंने पहले कर दिया रहता. तू आज स्टार्टिंग से मस्ती कर रहा है बेटा. जितना मस्ती करेगा उतना मैं और फाइन फास्ट कर दूंगा. ठीक है. ओके लिसन केयरफुली. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन विच दे जनरली आस्क. एक और यहाँ पे ले गया. अमोनियम सल्फेट हो गया. अच्छा फिर एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट. Aluminium sulfate. So alu is how much? And sulfate is how much? Cut. Crisscross. So what you'll get?
SO4 the whole bracket.
SO4 the whole bracket. Clear? Today I also wanted to give you this table. I'll just show you guys. नहीं वेट. Look beta, this table I was supposed to give you today, but yeah, I'm going to give to the students who are physically present. Look, in this what? This is very nice. I have given all the positive here and the negative here. And what you have to do, you have to just do crisscross. Look better. HCl, so HCl. NaCl, so NaCl. So name if you want to see, so you have to see here. Sodium chloride. हाँ ये मैंने आप लोगों के लिए देखो ये है इतना ये आपको look this much big worksheet I have got for you. Yes, and listen, this you will write nicely and stick wherever you in your house, wherever, and every day you have to refer once. Okay? Yeah, पूरा solve करके ये क्यों पता है क्या? All the positive valencies and negative valency आपको by heart होगा तो we'll remember all the compound and it will be helpful for your 8th also, 9th also as well as 10th. 10th में भी काम में आएगा. ठीक है? So this how to fill that I'll show you बेटा, don't worry. हाँ वही इसी का प्रैक्टिस करने का है एक बार आज, इसलिए तो मैं इतना आराम से करवा रहा हूँ आपको. चलो ये कॉपी हो गया. ये have you copied this?
Yeah. So,
Now we'll go to the next one. Come on. Yeah. Go.
sorry.
20. I am going to do. Please, आ जाओ.
अरे 8 बजे तक क्लास है.
क्या?
क्या लंच चालू है.
बंद कर दे. Okay. Now enough. बस बातें नहीं. ठीक है. Now we are going to do very important. Pop. Okay, we have done बेटा. ये तो मेरे को लिखने तो दे. 3 डालने तो दिया ही नहीं आप लोगों ने. Aluminium sulfate. Thrice. Online students, are you all getting it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are very important one, beta. Few important one I am going to teach you. Potassium. No. Permanganate. Potassium permanganate. So potassium is K1 plus. Permanganate is MnO4 1 minus. Close it. डोर बंद कर बेटा अच्छे से. ये 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा ये या कमीनोफोर KMnO4 कमीनोफोर potassium permanganate. Yeah, this is potassium, this is I need you underline permanganate or not. Tell me, look here. Where we have done this, where I told you to underline this in your textbook. Look here. This is your textbook. And in your textbook, beta, this is where it is MnO4 1 minus permanganate. Okay? And I am going to do now which one? Dichromate also, zincate also, and plumbite also. These are very important ones. आ जाओ. Copied. This. Potassium permanganate. Sometimes they will give you the compound and they will tell you to write the. They will give you the formula and they will tell you to write the name. Okay. चलो. Done.
No sir.
अरे नहीं.
चालू किया.
अब बेटा आगे बढ़ेंगे. आ जाओ.
सर रुकिए.
हाँ
रुक जाइए.
रुका हो. This girl here, what's your name? Mahi Shah. That's the way Mahi. चलो बेटा डन. आ जाओ. 21. Come on. बहुत सारे हैं. Potassium dichromate. So potassium is K1 plus. Today we did dichromate. Cr2O7 2 minus. So what you'll do? Come on, tell me.
K2Cr2O7.
1 को तो लिखेंगे नहीं ना, ये 2 नीचे आएगा कि नहीं? So what you'll get? K into Cr2O7. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. See ya.
Excuse me. Sodium aluminate. Aluminate. This is new. Sodium is 1 plus. Aluminate is AlO2 1 minus. तो क्या हो जाएगा बोलो? Yavi, what it will become? What will be this? This is 1 plus and this is 1 minus. This cut. So it will get NaHaLO2. 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 Sodium aluminate. NaLO2. NaLO2.
हम लोग को वो पिक्चर देखने क्या वो बताओ
वो सब बताऊंगा मैं तुमको, रुक जाओ, तेरा पेशेंस रखो। मुझे अभी ये फ्राइडे को ऑनलाइन सुना था, ऑल ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू कम ऑन फ्राइडे फॉर पिंकेश सर क्लास फिजिक्स।
So that's Saturday.
सैटरडे ना? अच्छा सैटरडे, whichever day if you are coming here, those who have not taken the worksheet beta, just out in our classroom beta, there is a door, just open the door, then there is a big cupboard and on that there is one transparent dabba. In that I am going to keep all this thing. Okay, चलो आ जाओ, 1 2 3 डन डन। अच्छा बेटा, अभी ये मैं ना आप लोगों को कह रहा था बेटा, लुक आई हैव गिवन टुडे, आई वांटेड टू डू दिस टुडे, दिस वन, this worksheet data. Can you see beta, which I have given? The students who are present, look for them. We did this just now or not? Tell me. अरे potassium is 1 plus, कभी no 4,
Yes.
cancel, you get what? KMnO4. Potassium is 1, dichromate is 2, so what you will get? What is the formula? K2Cr2. Sodium is 1 plus. Zincate I have not given na beta, zincate, let me give you zincate. Zincate. I'm giving 23 sodium zincate 1, सोडियम का 1 होता है ना, बताया था ना, zincate Na1 plus.
Sir, what is chinke?
Zincate
कौन
is the
छिंका सर?
balancing. अरे we did just now here, zincate, you forgot. Look,
सर कोई छिंके विंके नहीं किया हमने, जिंकेट किया।
zincate, look here. Zincate. Saudiana घरी वाजले की बारा। चलो, हेलो। अरे यार ये क्या हो गया? हाँ, ए व्हाट विल हैपन यार?
Na2ZNO.
वेरी गुड, Na2ZNO2. कॉपी 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 कॉपी।
सर 22
Done,
वाला
sir.
दिखाइए ना,
हाँ
22 वाला दिखाइए ना, मैंने नहीं किया। थैंक
now we are going to do another compound, few compound, acid, first we'll do acid and gases we'll do now. Acid and gases we are going to do. Hello, acid and gases. Yeah, acid and gases we are going to do.
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 start.
Easter.
Start.
No.
Start.
No.
प्लम्बाइड भी करवा देता हूँ, चलो बेटा बात
So, shouldn't this be Na2ZNO?
बेटा, this is zincate बेटा, okay, sodium plumbide Na1 plus PbO2 2 minus. चलो कॉपी दिस टू। अच्छा बेटा अभी ना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, कभी मल्टीपल होगा बेटा, व्हाट विल बी देयर बेटा? मल्टीपल। ओ बड़ा है होता है, कभी भी ओ ऑलवेज कैपिटल, ओ इज ऑलवेज कैपिटल, O, capital O. O will be O will be always capital. Now this one is very important. Look here.
Sir, could you show the slide before?
Arey yaar. Do it fast. Yavi, what's going on? Continuously are talking here in the class. You better be sorry.
Done, sir.
Yeah.
He was the last person this
Now,
There are all 17, sir, 25.
okay. Now look here.
30 is the last number. What?
If I give you lead and I return 4 oxide. This is interesting, huh? ये तो lead का valency here it is how much beta?
1 4.
Roman में 4 लिखा means it is 4 plus. Oxygen is how much?
2.
2 minus. Now what will you do in this case? Come on.
I know.
You know.
PV2O4.
No, that's wrong.
O4.
No, that's wrong.
PV2O4.
Because look beta, if it is a multiple, if it is a, so we will cut it ones are and this will become 2. Now it will crisscross. So what will get? PbO2. Lead 4 oxide. Okay, this was interesting one. This was very interesting one. Now we go to the gases now. I am going to give the list of first neutral gas. Neutral. Which are neutral gas? These are the gases which when dissolved in water, they neither form acid nor they form base. Neutral gas. So beta, if I tell you to write hydrogen, how will you write hydrogen formula? We want H2. Nitrogen, how will you write? Nitrogen, how do we write? N2. Oxygen, O2. Okay, then this is something new for you. Carbon monoxide. Mono. It is neutral gas. CO. These are the formula. Hydrogen gas. Nitrogen gas. Gas लिखा है ना बेटा? Okay. Water vapor. Water vapor is also neutral. H2O. Okay. Then nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is what beta? NO. NO. Nitrous oxide, if they say these all are neutral gases. Then it is N2O. This formula you'll have to by heart. Because in reaction, I will say, any compound react with nitric oxide. So you should know what is nitric oxide and no. And no. These are neutral gases. Nitrous, this is nitrous oxide, N2O. This you'll have to by heart. Certain things you'll have to by heart. Now I'm going to go for the next one. Copied, all of you. Done, 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 done. Okay. I have place here. Wait, I'll do right on this side. I have a lot of place. Now on this side, I'm going to write which gas? Acidic gas. Which gas? Acidic. What are acidic gas? Hey, stop playing that and I'll throw you. लॉक तू करेगा बराबर तो होगा ना उठ वहां से आगे नहीं आ रहा है कैसा नहीं आ रहा है रहने दे तुझे दे तू अपना काम कर acidic gas means for any gas if I dissolve in water it will form acid okay so chalo beta one by one we are going to do no I'm not going to you are busy talking I told you carbon dioxide means CO2 CO2 sulfur dioxide SO2 sulfur trioxide तीन ऑक्सीजन होगा ना उसमें SO3 Nitrogen dioxide. Dioxide means what? NO2. So these are what, beta? Acidic gas. These are which gas? Acidic gas. Okay. A chlorine is also acidic. Chlorine, if I write beta, what you write? Cl2. Cl2 gas, chlorine gas. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide means what it will be? H2S. H2S. Only basic gas in your syllabus is which one? Only basic gas in your entire syllabus. एक ही है बेटा, पूरे सिलेबस में एक ही बेसिक गैस है आपके. चलो ये कॉपी हो गया. ओनली बेसिक गैस इन योर सिलेबस. ओनली बेसिक गैस. ओनली बेसिक गैस.
Sir, wait. Can you show the before slide?
अरे ले कॉपी कार्ड फटाफट. या ओनली बेसिक गैस. नो 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 नो.
Done, sir.
Okay. Only basic gas. Only basic gas. In your syllabus is only one. Ammonia. Ammonia gas, if I say what formula I will write? NH3. NH3, not NH4. NH3. Now I am going to give you a few acids name. Acid name. Acids. Which are the different acid you know? Tell me. चलो बेटा, if I say hydrochloric acid, पता होगा.
Ammonium acid.
Hydrochloric acid. What is the formula?
HCl.
HCl. Okay. Nitric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Very good. Nitric acid is HNO3.
Citric acid.
Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. But if there are few more. Sulfurous acid is what you know, beta? H2SO3. Sulfurous. अस में कम होता है, इक में ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन होता है. नाइट्रस एसिड. Nitrous acid is what, beta? HNO2. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is what? H2CO3. फिर बेटा हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अभी जगह नहीं, इधर पे लिखते हैं बेटा. आ जाता. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid will be what, beta? H3PO4. Phosphorus पूछा तो वन O कम कर देगा. H3PO3. Only basic gas. Only acidic gas. एक ना मेरे को एक कल और टेक्स्ट बुक में तुम्हारा देखने तो कुछ. रुक जा, आप पूछू. वेट ब्रो. देखिए सब एसिड देखा, सब गैस भी हम लोग निकाल देख रहा है ना. चले कॉपी करा. एक खाली ना मैं एक ऑर्गेनिक एसिड का नाम दे देता हूं आपको, खाली नाम दे. एसिटिक एसिड. आप लोग विनेगर खाते हो? विनेगर. एसिटिक एसिड को विनेगर भी बोलते हैं. विनेगर. उसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? छत्रीकू. क्या है? छत्रीकू. CH3COOH. छत्रीकू. ये एक्स्ट्रा मैंने दिया आपको. एसिटिक एसिड. ऐसे ही हमारा मोर्सी, क्योंकि ये आपको 9-10 में बार बार यूज होने वाला है. नहीं, लेकिन आपको अभी से तुम लोग एक थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा याद रखोगे तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम ब्रो? Is there any just sharing? क्या रे?
The acetic acid is that. Vinegar.
Okay.
No, sir.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
हाँ लिखा है ना यहाँ पे vinegar.
Done, sir.
Vinegar I've given you. Okay. Now beta, those who are nah, this chart I'll give you next class, not today. Because it's raining and you will
Sir,
spoil
where
it.
is citric acid?
Yeah, what? Tell me.
Citric acid.
Citric acid. Yeah, but that formula you don't have to study. Citric is
Okay,
there,
sir.
tartaric is there, beta. Oxalic acid, tomato में होता है. Citric acid in lemon juice and all. Okay. 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 बस बातें. No, I will teach this how to fill, beta. हाँ. Now अभी यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. Shh. Look, beta. So this we look. I taught you today this how compound formation take place. Shh, beta. Compound formation. Then we did this formula for the different gases. This acid we did. I gave you many. Okay. Then this how compound formation we have done. Can you see these are many compounds here? Can you see this compound? Right? Acha, I actually wanted, today to do this beta with you all. This worksheet beta, in this, those who student who are present, they can do it now. Now, like beta, यहाँ पे सोडियम का क्या होगा बोल बेटा? सोडियम 1 plus and zinc it was 2 minus. हाँ, तो क्या होता था बोल बेटा? ZnA2, ZnO2. Right now, Alu is 3 plus, this is 3 minus. So what you'll get? ALN. Are you getting it? Wow. चलो बेटा कॉपर 2 लिखा है. Listen खाली, listen first. Copper is 2. So what you'll get? बेटा this boy here, both of you, तुम्हारे लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, मार खाएगा दोनों जन. क्या कर रहा है? आंसर क्या होगा बोल? 2 and 2. So what will be? Iron 3 they are given. So 3 plus and 1 minus. So what will get? Okay, this is 2 plus and this is 1 minus. OH twice. Ag is 1 plus, nitrate is also 1 1. Ag. Plus है बाबा वो. AgNO3. Okay, ठीक है. Copper is how much बेटा? 2. This is 1 minus. क्या हो जाएगा बोल? तो this ये चलो क्या हो जाएगा? Hg. So this is the worksheet which I have given today. Students, I am going to keep, you have to take total 3 worksheet from this. 2 are of atomic structure and 1 of this gentleman photo will be here, both. Okay. Are you going to come on Friday? Sorry, Saturday. बेटा सैटरडे में तेरे को मैं बोलता हूँ बेटा, तू दे देना उन बच्चों को. लिखा क्या है? ये वेरिएबल वैलेंसी वाला, फिर एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर का ये वाला एक, और एक ये मैं नहीं तो कभी कहाँ स्कूल में पकड़ते हैं ना तुम्हारे, पकड़ते हैं ना स्कूल में. एक सब तुम्हारे बैच में ही थोड़ी हो गए सब. नहीं टू कैंसल नहीं यहाँ पे से कलेक्ट कर दे देंगे ना हम लोग उनको. कैंसल होगा ना तो अंडा दे रहा था अभी तक. हाँ क्या क्या अब समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? अभी इसमें ये देख, अभी आज मैंने तुम लोग को ये पूरा एसिड का नाम दिया था ना, ये आप मैथ द कॉलम भी कर पाओगे, वो वर्कशीट में मैंने दिया ना उसमें. आर यू गेटिंग इट? हेलो. Then this compound formation we did today or not? कट. तो फिर अभी इसमें भी आप इसमें क्या लिखा है? पोटेशियम एंड बाइसल्फेट. तो पोटेशियम में 1 plus बाइसल्फाइड इज दिस. तो कैंसिल होके क्या बन जाएगा? ये आंसर एक आपको कॉपी करना है खुद से, लिखना है खुद से. अमोनियम एंड दिस इज फॉस्फेट. So 3 will go here, this will come here. So what do you get? Ammonium. ऐसा ये लिखना है होगा आप लोगों को।
देखना होगा।
ठीक है बेटा, आज मैंने इतना ही करा था आप लोगों को।
सर ये वर्कशीट सॉल्व करनी है।
बिफोर यस यस बेटा व्हाट?
ये वर्कशीट सॉल्व करनी है।
हाँ ये तीनों वर्कशीट है ना, मैं यहाँ पे रख रहा हूँ। आपको सैटरडे को, क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? अर्नव। अर्नव आपको दे देगा तीनों को, सबको।
ओके सर।
सैटरडे को जब आप यहाँ
अर्नव
पे क्लास में आओगे ना तभी।
Sir, will you like it will be there on Friday as well, right? So Friday we come for maths, so that time also we can collect it. Right?
अर्नव, बट अर्नव मैथ्स के लिए आता है, पूछ तो।
Sir, maths के लिए भी आते हैं तो Friday को ले सकते हैं।
लेकिन आप लोग तो फिर बारिश हो जाती है तो ऑनलाइन कर देते हो ना बेटा इसके लिए, ठीक है ना?
तो Saturday को बारिश आएगी फिर वो भी ऑनलाइन होगा।
हाँ ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। चलो मैं बोल देता हूँ, उसको दे देगा आपको, ठीक है?
So what if we don't come for physics class and on Saturday? Can we collect it next class only?
Beta, but why will not come for the physics class? Both the classes today only there was rain. You have to come, beta.
तो फिजिक्स के लिए
No,
आधे
sir.
से ज्यादा लोग नहीं आते हैं।
Sir, I don't attend the class only.
Acha, then I'll give you the
Yeah.
next class. Your
Okay.
friend is there? Any friend? इधर आ।
Yeah.
I can collect it for her as well.
ये कौन है? ये कौन है? पावनी शर्मा। हाँ,
So
तू-
that's not my name. That's not my name.
प्रीति शर्मा ना? ये
Yeah.
कम हियर ना। तू प्रीति को जानती है बेटा? प्रीति की कोई फ्रेंड है इसके से?
Sir,
So
सर आर्यमन है।
हाँ?
आर्यमन।
सर आर्यमन।
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 नहीं। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं।
सर आर्यमन।
हाँ तो बात नहीं है बेटा, आर्यमन यहाँ पे
Sir.
नहीं है बेटा।
Sir, ध्रुवी को दे दो।
sir, I'll take it on Friday or Saturday for her.
ओके या चलो देन, बाय बाय।
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
See you, sir.